printing PETG at like 500 millimeters a second, and this SOVOL ZERO is pretty phenomenal. This is a part that I just kind of mocked up as a support bracket for a gate that I installed. So we'll see how it comes out. The prototype, it was about a third of the size of that. Looked pretty good. So anyway, we'll show you how it looks. The whole thing's supposed to print in 20 minutes at that speed. Again, this is printing PETG, and it's like a 50% infill. And this thing is just flying.